Hare Krishna. When the mind acts fast, the intelligent needs to act faster. Our mind can act extremely fast. So we may be thinking of one thing at one moment and suddenly our thoughts go off in another direction. Mind goes off in that direction and starts taking us in that direction. In our inner world, the mind is one factor and the intelligence is the other factor. So our mind is like a restless child and the intelligence has to be like a mature mother. So if a child starts putting his or her hand in fire, the child may be playing at one moment and the next moment the child is moving towards fire to put the hand there. When the mother sees, the mother has to move faster than the child and catch the child before the child can put the hand in the fire. So our intelligence has to be like that. When the mind starts going off in wrong directions, either it starts imagining pleasures and then starts taking us in immoral indulgences, or the mind starts imagining troubles and starts making us fearful. In either case, we need to, our intelligence needs to be alert and immediately we pull the mind back. If we are not fast enough, then we will end up indulging and then we will wonder, what did I do? When the consequences start coming upon us, when the gravity of our action starts registering within us. Now, how do we develop this speed of the mind, speed of the intelligence, so that it can outrace the mind? For that, our intelligence needs to be strengthened and trained. So, our intelligence is strengthened by the study of scripture. So, when we study scripture, it is not just to get some information. It is to actually understand what happens in our inner world, to understand how our mind acts. And then we learn, okay, this is how the mind acts, then this is how I should be acting. So that strength comes when we become intellectually equipped to see what is happening within. And then just, so the strength is required that when the mind goes off in the wrong direction, we can pull it back. But along with that, we need also training. So just as an athlete who wants to run fast has to train. So first the athlete needs to know that I have to run, and then how can I run fast? So especially when we are trying to practice bhakti and we try to fix the mind on Krishna, the mind goes here, the mind goes there, we bring it back and fix it on Krishna, we bring it back and fix it on Krishna, focus our consciousness on Krishna. By this process, we develop the training, and then later on, whenever the mind goes off in any unwanted direction, we get it back again. So Krishna talks about this process in 6.26. Yato yato nischalati manaschancchalam asthiram tatastato niyam yaitad atmanyeva vasham nayet. He says, wherever and whenever the mind wanders, says, bring it back under the control of the self. So this is a difficult process, but it is a rewarding process. As a child grows up in the mother's careful supervision, similarly, under the intelligence's careful supervision, the mind slowly grows up. And especially if we strive to fix the mind on Krishna, it becomes purified. And then as it grows up, then the speed of the mind doesn't work against the intelligence, but works with the intelligence. That means the mind will naturally move towards Krishna, and that will make our life constantly and increasingly fulfilling through our increasing absorption in Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.